like that.
Can you give me a camera?
What kind of a toddler are you? No, Forrest, you're going to break it. No, rocking back and forth.
Boom! I hate cheese. Ooh, chocolate.
Ladies and gentlemen, Forrest is going to pick up every single piece of those toys that he just dropped.
I'm putting the cheese in my milkshake.
Lorelei. Lorelei, is Forrest crazy? Hey, Lorelei, let's take the attention off Forrest. Why don't you go do a fireman for us? Do a fireman. Wee-haw! Good job. Mommy taught you well. Are you stuck, baby Forrest?
Baby Forrest, you want some popcorn? Here.
I think it's time to say goodbye because Forrest is going to break the chair.
Popcorn, you're spilling.
And then we won't have a chair for timeout. All right, bye.